G'day, welcome to Todd's Kitchen. This is definitely one of my easy keto comfort foods. I make this probably once a week almost. It is so easy, so delicious. So join me today as I make my version of a keto cauliflower bake. Okay, so this is really an incredibly simple recipe that takes no time whatsoever to prepare. And I'm going to start off with some cauliflower. So what I've done is, I've just cut it up into individual florets like so, and I've just steamed them in the microwave. Now you can steam them on the stove or you can also boil them. It's completely up to you, just however you soften your cauliflower. So once your cauliflower is all steamed, I've got a baking tray here that I've just lined. Now I'm just using a standard loaf pan, but you can use any type of pan that you like. And with that cauliflower, we're just going to line the base. So just organise them so it's all nice and flat and you have complete coverage of the base. Next I've got a cup of sour cream. Now I'm just going to dollop that on top. Now if you don't want to use sour cream, you can use double cream for example, but honestly sour cream just works perfectly with this recipe. So with our sour cream on top, just evenly spread it out, just so all the florets are covered. So think of this as our second layer. Doesn't have to be perfect because it will even out better when it's heated up in the oven. Next I've got about 3 cups of mozzarella cheese. So for our third layer, I'm just going to sprinkle on about a cup's worth of our mozzarella cheese. Next I have some diced bacon. Now it's up to you how much bacon you want to use. Use a little bit or you can use a lot. Now you don't have to pre-cook it because this will bake pretty well in the oven, but you can never have enough bacon. But if you like it extra crispy, feel free to put it on the stove for a little bit, but honestly it's not needed. Next I'm going to add about 2 teaspoons of garlic powder. So just evenly sprinkle that on. I love garlic, how about you? Leave a comment in the description if you love garlic as much as I do. Next I'm going to add a tablespoon of Italian herbs. So again, just evenly sprinkle that on top. Now this is optional, now I'm going to add some onion. Now you can chop it up like the garlic is, you can have it nice and diced, or just choose my preferred way and go with some onion rings. And lastly we're just going to top that off with the rest of our cheese. So I've added about 1 cup in the middle and I'm adding about 2 cups on top. Just like bacon, you can never have enough cheese. And that's it, now it's ready for the oven. Okay, so we're going to place this into a preheated oven at 180 degrees Celsius or 300 degrees Fahrenheit for 25 minutes. Now would you look at that. Now it's definitely not going to win any beauty prizes, but it will win the taste prizes. The delicious bacon and onion mixed in with the cauliflower and all those extra herbs really does take this up to the next level. Now you can have this as a side, or with enough you can have it as a main meal itself. It really is versatile. Let's try some of this cheesy goodness. Oh man, that is so good. You have to try this. You really, really do. It is so cheesy, yet there's 5 different flavours hitting you all at once. It really is fantastic. So you can either have this as a keto recipe or just part of your regular dinner, but either way, it's going to taste simply delish.